Good morning everyone. Today we're looking at Go Maths Student Journal for Year 4. It's the Australian Curriculum Edition and we're doing Unit 18.5, which is solving problems involving time. So use these signs to answer the questions below and show your thinking. So we've got the times that Linda's Lunches is open, times when the art gallery is open and then it's closed for lunch, times the bank is open, times PJ's Corner Store is open, video store's opening time, and the barber back in 15 minutes time. So let's look at the question. So question 1 says, how many hours is the bank open for each day during the week? Okay, so we'll look at the sign. It says it's open 9 AM till 4 PM Monday to Friday. So we've got 9. We'll just count them through, shall we? So 9 AM to 10 AM is 1 hour. 11, 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just count that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 hours each day. Oh, my pen tool's misbehaving badly at the moment. It's probably more I'm out of practice with it. I haven't been using it much lately. So 7 hours. You could also look at it from 9 AM till 12. So you've got 12 minus 9 is 3. So you've got 3 hours there. And then you've got 12 to 4 is 4 hours in the afternoon. So then you've got 3 plus 4 equals 7. So that's the other way of doing it too. So the barber left at 10:50. When will he return? So it's got back in 15 minutes. So just add 15 minutes on to the time that he left. So it's going to be 5. Now here's where it gets a little bit tricky. You got 1 plus 5. That's actually 60. So it's going to tick over to the next hour. So add the 1 onto there. So it'll be 11:05 when he returns. So next question. Art gallery closes for 1.5 hours for lunch. What time will it open after lunch? 1.5 hours after lunch. So let's come up here. The art gallery closed at 12:30 for lunch. So we can put down here that it closed at, oh dear, my writing is terrible, isn't it? Where are we? So we got 12, that's at 3, 12:30 plus, oh dear, plus 1 hour and a half. So you've got 3 plus 3 is 60, so that's going to be ticking over to the next hour again. So we've got 0 minutes. And we've got another 1 to add on here. So at 12:30 it kicks over to the next time again. So it'll be 1 PM plus 12 plus an hour is 1. And then plus another 1 is 2. So it'll be 2 PM when it opens up again. Okay, so let's look at what happens at the next one. Pete works half the hours that PJ's store is open. How many hours does Pete work in 1 week? Oh, there's a few times for this, isn't there? So, PJ's corner store is open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Now, that's if you don't know, you can actually count it. So go 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and ignore the funny things that my pen's doing. Or you can just know that there's 12 hours between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. So you know that that's 12 hours. Pen. I'm really struggling with my pen this morning, aren't I? So 12 hours. Now, you can so you look at it and go, Pete works half the hours that PJ's store is open. So you can either halve it here, or you can multiply it out by 7 days and then halve it. It's going to be a lot easier if you halve this. So because it says in the instructions to actually show your thinking and how you've worked it out. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And then we know that PJ's is open 7 days, so we've got 6 hours times by 7. That's a 7. And 7 sixes are Penny's misbehaving again. So yes, so that's how many hours he works in a week. So the video store is open for 14 hours each day. When does it open? Now there you go, there's another one. So the video store is open till 10 p.m. every day. So how would you work that one out? So you got 10 p.m. is when it closes. Is when it closes, and there are 14 hours in each day. So probably should have done that the other way. So 14 minus 10 is going to give you 4. That's a 4. Just take my word for it. And then you need to work out how many hours before midday it's actually open for. So you'll have to go with 12 for midday minus 4. And yes, you need to show all of this working out. You can't just write the number. So 12 minus 4 is 8 a.m. is when it'll open. Okay, so how many more hours in Linda's lunches open than the bank in 5 days? How? So then you need to look at how long Linda's lunch is open for each day and how long the bank is open for each day. And just work it out from there. So anyway, I'll leave that one for you to work out on your own. Have a great day. Bless you.